Welcome to this official guide for StreamFab All-in-One, your complete video downloader for Netflix, Disney Plus, YouTube, Amazon Prime, and 1,000 plus platforms. Let's walk through how to install, activate, and start downloading videos quickly and easily. First, visit StreamFab.com and download the Windows Online Installer, Offline Installer, or the Mac OS version. Install it just like any other software. It only takes a few minutes. Once installed, open StreamFab. To unlock all features, click the menu icon and select Authorize. Log in using your StreamFab account to activate your license. You can deauthorize anytime. Now, let's take a look at the 3 easy ways you can start downloading videos with StreamFab. First up, click on a VIP service like Netflix, Disney Plus, or Max. A built-in browser opens. Log in, play the video, and StreamFab will detect it automatically. Alternatively, have a link from YouTube or Facebook? Just click Paste URL, enter the link, and choose your desired format. It's perfect for quick single downloads or even batch link imports. Another option is to browse directly inside StreamFab. Whenever you play a video on any supported site, the app will instantly offer a download option. Once your downloads are complete, they'll be saved in the Downloaded tab. From here, you can play them with PlayerFab, open the file folder, or organize them into your own media libraries. Plus, StreamFab supports auto-download, batch tasks, and custom folder management, giving you full control over your content. And that's it. For a limited time, get StreamFab All-in-One for just $279.99. Download any video in full HD, ad-free, and offline across more than 1,000 platforms. Plus, receive a $25 Amazon gift card. Act now before the price goes up on July 8th.